Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a nice girl with a cat. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw her head with her 2 ears. Then I draw her eyes. Nose and smiling mouth. Then I draw her earrings. Now draw her hair like this. She has a bow on it. Now let's draw her body. In her hand, she holds her cat. Let's draw a cute cat very quickly like this. She also has a bow on her head. Oh, how cute! Then I draw her eyes. So I'm going to draw her nose and her mouth. Then I draw her kitten mustache now. Let's draw her body. I draw her 4 legs. And her long tail. Finally, draw the skirt for the girl. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I colored the girl. I use cream for her skin. For the lips, I use this red marker. I paint the hair with light brown. And I use this marker for her bow. I color her shirt pink. Then I use purple for her skirt. Now let's color the kitten. For her nose and for the inner ears, I use pink. Then I use gray for her fur. The remaining parts will remain white. Finally, I color her bow with fuchsia and add a little light purple in the background. Excellent! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.